Ano yung entry ulit? Engagement pala.
Kasi
Engagement pala yung forceful abduction. Forceful forward flexion with the arms internally rotated. Kapag suspended na may impingement yung patient at forcefully abduct siya with the shoulder internally rotated, positive sign for pain.
pain and shows
The face.
sa face.
Facial expression of pain. Next is your open negative. Classification natin siya ng layers. Ang gagawin mo lang is to abduct or flex. Flex the shoulder.
Flex. 90 degrees.
Flex the elbow.
Then forcefully rotate medially.
Then rotate the shoulder medially.
Sir, force.
Yes, forceful pa rin. Kapag forceful medial rotation, so flex to 90, flex the elbow to 90 din.
Tapos,
Then, forcefully medially rotate the
pain.